Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, it's a girl Leah. Okay, so guys, today I'll be cooking some rice and peas with coconut juice and escabit fish or brown stew fish. So them say a chicken me cook, guys. So today I'm going to cook some fish. So I'll show you along, guys. So here I have the peas along with some garlic, and you know me, I'm gonna pour some hot water over it and then put it to pressure. Meanwhile, I show you a little how I scale the fish, and then I'll just take you along, you know. So yes, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm pouring my hot water. I love use hot water, guys. Tell me if to save gas. Although I'm doing it on the cold stove today outside. My gas is finished. I'm gonna buy gas later. I don't like me tell, but true, me did use the cold stove this morning, look after breakfast. So we just gonna continue on it. So that is why I'm just using it today. I'm gonna buy gas later. I know it's raining and you know the cold stove are outside. The rain comes so. Yes guys, so I am going to pressure this now. So guys, here I have some fish that I am about to scale, guys. And then I'm gonna season these and cover them up because I have two cold stove, but I'm actually using one. So when the peas is already pressure and I had the coconut juice and let that boil, then I'll just take off that pot and then I'll start cooking the fish, guys. Just like one picture. Yeah, I'll start cooking the fish. So yeah guys, so I'm about to scale now. So guys, I also okay, so you see I already pressuring the peas. Alright, so I'm just going to yeah, so I'm pressuring the peas and I'm trying to find somewhere to fix this phone, you know. You see. You can't see me. Oh lordy. For me. Yeah, I'm gonna learn to start video. Oi. Yeah. Oops. Alright, so then just a minute. So here you have it, guys, already scale and seasoning the fish. I should show you when I was seasoning it, but I didn't have anybody to hold the camera. So it's actually onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, fish seasoning, Maggi fish seasoning, Maggi chicken, and Maggi all purpose. A little bit of black pepper, a little salt, a little jerk seasoning, and also a little bit of MSG. You don't have to put that if you don't want to. I don't have any hot country pepper. My goddaughter is on her way with the pepper, so I'll just cut, you know, cause you know the pepper when you season it and cover it, you know. The pepper man, may I tell you so. Yeah, and I will show you along as soon as I fry it and I'm gonna brown through it. So I already have them. Alright, so guys, I already pressure the peas. Yes guys. As you can see it. So I'm gonna add the coconut milk to it and let it cook, and then season it up with onion, scallion. No, not onion, scallion, thyme, and garlic. Already put garlic into it, but I'll just gonna put a little more. And as soon as she come with the pepper, I'm gonna pick out one of the stem out of one, washed it and dropped it in. So I'm gonna let this cook maybe for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll add my rice, guys. So I'll show you along. All right? Okay. So guys, I am about to fry the fish first before I brown through it. So the oil is already in the pot and it's hot, so I'm just gonna dip the fish in the flour and fry it, guys. It's not too much flour, guys, but it helps to let it don't stick and help to thicken the gravy. Yeah, hold the camera, you know, that is why kind of slow, but it's alright. Yes, guys, so when I do it like that with a little flour, it doesn't really stick together, and then the little flour up from it, guys, when I'm um cooking it down, it helps to thicken the gravy. That's how I actually like to do it, guys. So guys, I'm gonna turn them over now, guys. So you see, they're so easy. Well, all of them already ate. So easy to turn over, not stick and break up. But like when I'm just doing fry fish, because I sell fish sometimes on weekends, I don't really put the flour on it. I just fry it like that, guys. Alright, these can brown a little more. I fry a little. No, a chicken. Then can fry a little more. I have some more with the flour already on it. So because I don't want to pack this up too much. Yes, guys.